In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Gmail or Google account using your phone. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to google.com and make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to delete. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then tap Manage your Google account. Now, scroll down and tap on the Data and Privacy. Scroll down until the end and tap on the Delete your Google account. You may be asked to sign in again to verify your identity. Enter your password and continue. Next, Google will display important information about what will be deleted, including your emails, files, photos, and other data associated with this account. Scroll down and review everything carefully. At the bottom, check the boxes to confirm that you understand the consequences of deleting your account. Then, tap Delete Account. Your Gmail or Google account will now be permanently deleted, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful and easy tutorials.